What's up, everybody? This is your girl Kiki, and I'm back with another video. So first, let's get into this shirt right here. Okay, so this I have made myself. Give y'all a little look. I have made this myself. So I have crocheted this whole top, and it's a rainbow pastel color, so it's absolutely beautiful. So yes. Worked really hard on it. This probably took me maybe a few days to do, so it didn't really take me that long. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into some perfume. So I bought some perfumes from Oakcha, so I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the samples here. So this is the candy collection. So this is the candy collection right here. So we're gonna go ahead and see how these smell, because I've been looking to buy some more perfumes and I love Oakcha stuff. I actually ended up getting another bottle of their perfume here. This is called Praise the Perfume. So you can see, like, just look how fancy the packaging is. I mean, this is so cool. So get a good look at that. But yeah, so it's called Praise the Perfume. So it's basically like a strawberry-ish cream type of scent. But yeah, it's one of my favorites. It's like strawberry. It's like more on the vanilla-y side, like a vanilla strawberry type of scent. But I mean, it smells amazing. And I like it because I feel like it goes with my body chemistry really well. Like, I don't know if anybody else feels this, but like certain perfumes kind of mix well with certain body odors. Like, I don't know if I'm the only one that thinks that, but I feel like it goes well with my body odor. Like, when I sweat, it smells a lot more stronger, but it's like it mixes well with my sweat. So I don't stink. I smell more like milky or something like that. So anyways, yeah, one of my favorite scents, and I had to get another bottle. And the first time I got it, it was a little bit cheaper. It was around $25, so that's when it was just getting popular. And it came in a black bottle, so the fact that it came in a pink bottle, like, they did their thing on the packaging and everything. So yeah, it looks very, very cute. Pretty much kind of goes with my shirt a little bit, but yeah. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and review the candy collection. So I'm really interested to see how they smell. And I got somewhere written down the notes of the scent, so I'll kind of be a little bit more descriptive on those, so you kind of get an idea of how the scents go. But I paid about, I believe, like $12 for this, you know, then plus the taxes and the shipping and handling and things like that. So, but not bad for some samples. So $12, you know, you get all 6 scents, and this is what it came in, like that. All right, so I'm not gonna lie, I did end up smelling one of them, but I'm not gonna tell you which one. I'm just gonna smell all of them, but I did smell one. Now, the way the bottles are set up, at first I was confused, because usually when I get like perfume samples, they come in like a little spray bottle or something like that. But then again, I do be buying like Gucci Flora and all those type of scents. So sometimes some of the like fancier brands do the sprays, I noticed, but these come in like little droppers. So let me get a close-up on this one. So you kind of see it's like in a, so you kind of see it's like in a dropper here. So at first I was like, how the heck do you use these? Like, what the heck? So basically, oops. All right. So basically, you take the cap off, right? It's not screw on. You just take the cap off, right? Now, actually, no, I'm screwing this up. So what you do is first you flip this upside down. Okay, you flip it upside down like this, and then you take the cap off. That's what you do. So what happens is that it has like a hole in there. So when you rub it against your skin, it kind of like dispenses some of that perfume, and it dispenses quite a bit. Like, you see, that's a lot. That's quite a bit. So that's how you use them. So for anybody who's confused on how to use the bottles, this is how you use the bottles, okay? So this is Pink Euphoria. Pink Euphoria, so with Pink Euphoria, it's supposed to be inspired by Skittles, because this is a candy collection, so a lot of these scents are inspired by sweets. So it's inspired by Skittles, so it's supposed to smell like Skittles, and it already smells good. Oh yeah, I'm definitely buying a full bottle of that, that's for sure. Very fruity. It does smell a little bit like Skittles. Like it's definitely a good mixture of different fruits. But The top notes is supposed to be juicy melon, citrus, sugar coating, which I don't know how sugar coating is supposed to smell, but the second one is the middle note, so that's the raspberry and strawberry, so it's got some berryish scents, which I said it does smell a little berryish. And then the base notes is vanilla, musk, and caramel, I think, or caramel or something. I don't know. I think I wrote down caramel. I'm not really sure, but either way, definitely I'm gonna get this scent, the full bottle one. This one smells amazing, so highly recommend. Highly recommend. I like that one. All right, so the next one I'm gonna pull out is Watermelon Jam. You probably can't read it because it looks a little blurry. I'm just gonna tell you the name on the screen or something like that. But Watermelon Jam. So with the Watermelon Jam, it's supposed to be inspired by a watermelon candy. So I'm assuming like Jolly Ranchers or just any watermelon candy. But it has, for the top notes, watermelon, green pear, fresh water. Middle notes, jasmine, red berries, and melon flower, so like melon type of scent. And then for the base notes is sugared cedarwood and creamy sandalwood and musk. So those are the base notes. So let's go ahead and smell the Watermelon Jam. So again, you flip it upside down, put it up, twist it, and I'm gonna put this in the middle part of my arm so I don't mix in with the other scents. And you want to let it dry out a bit, because if you don't let it dry out, then you won't get the full scope of how it smells. Definitely smell like watermelon. Definitely a strong scent of watermelon. It's not like Jolly Ranchers. It's definitely a good mixture of all those other notes that I just mentioned. So it doesn't smell just like watermelon. Like, it's not a weird watermelon scent. But that one's good though. I like it. And I think because it's got the sugar cedarwood and the creamy sandalwood, I feel like those mixtures of those two really kind of helps balance out that melon scent, because I feel like melon scents tend to smell a little too sweet. So I feel like this is a good, like, I feel like the sandalwood and the cedarwood kind of adds that acidity smell to it, so it doesn't just smell completely sweet. But that one's pretty good. I like this one. You know what this remind me of? That Fabuloso that came out, the watermelon scented one. That's what it smells like. It smells like Fabuloso, the watermelon version. Like, bro, they made a perfume version of the Fabuloso. I'm definitely getting that. All right, next up we have Choco Break. So I'm assuming with the Choco Break is going to smell like chocolate. That's what I'm assuming. But let's see the scents for that one. All right, so the Choco Break is inspired by Kit Kats. I used to tear up some Kit Kats when I was a kid. Not anymore. I moved on to the European chocolate because chocolate here tastes like wax, in my opinion. But the first top notes is hazelnut cream. I think it says citrus. Dang, my handwriting is terrible. And caramel. So hazelnut cream, citrus, and caramel. And then middle notes is chocolate, buttermilk, and coconut. Sounds good. The last base notes is patchouli, cedarwood, musk, vanilla, and vetiver. I don't know what the heck that means. Vetiver? What is that? But anyways, let's go ahead and try Choco Break. So I'm gonna do this probably, I don't want to do it too close to the watermelon one, so I'm gonna just, oops, I keep forgetting, flip it upside down. All right, now do that. Just gonna do a little bit because I don't think I'm gonna like it. It don't smell too bad. It definitely smells like chocolate, but it reminds me of like what does it remind me of? It don't remind me of Kit Kats, that's for sure. But it does have that light chocolate smell. I think it'll pair really good with like more warmer type of scents. Like, I think it said it had amber in it, I believe. Nope, it don't have amber. I feel like it'll pair well with like amber. Like, it's definitely like a sweet chocolate type of smell, but it's not like completely chocolate. Like, you can smell the other stuff that's in there too. Definitely the musk. The musk is definitely taking over, but it smells all right. Probably my least favorite, so I probably would have given a full bottle of this. But if you like chocolate or sweet smelling scents that smells like desserts, I feel like you'll like that one. All right, next one up we have peach rings. Ooh, I used to tear up some peach rings when I was a kid. So of course this is inspired by peach rings because that's what it says. So I mean, if it's not inspired by peach rings, I don't know Yeah, I don't know what y'all doing. But for peach rings, it has the top scents, peach, bergamot, and mandarin orange. Oh yeah, that's gonna smell good together. Middle notes, red berries, apricot, and osmanthus. I don't know what that means, but you could look up the notes on their website. Last scent is jasmine, cedarwood, and musk. So a lot of these scents are, you know, got some musk in there. That musk is very popular. But anyways, peach rings. We're gonna do it on the other arm. Oh yes, I like that one. It definitely smells a little bit more citrusy than peachy. Like I can smell a little bit of peach, but that mandarin orange is definitely like strong in that one. But it still smells good though. I like that one. Like it's very refreshing. Like it wakes you up in the morning. Like this is perfect for like in the morning if you want to smell like just straight up like citrus with a little peach in there. But I like it though. I like that one. That was good. It don't smell like peach rings, but it definitely smells more on the citrusy side. So not too bad. I like that one. Okay, so the next one we're gonna do is Colorama. That's a, I hope I'm saying that right. Colorama, or Colorama. I don't know. I'm gonna call it Colorama, but Colorama is supposed to be inspired by cola. So, you know, I don't really drink cola. I like Pepsi. I'm a Pepsi girl, so fight me if you want to. But the top scent is gonna be orange, ginger, lemon, and lime, which I can see that being together because I feel like that's the flavor that cola gives. It's like citrus, kind of gingery type of flavor. Then the second is the middle note. So we got the cinnamon, nutmeg, clove, and jasmine. So a lot of like spices in there. Okay, so it's gonna be like a spicy type of perfume. And then the last base scent is vetiver. Again, that word that I don't even know what the heck that is, but sandalwood and amber. So, which, you know, with all those combos, I can see amber working well with those notes. So let's put it on this arm here. Let's do it on this one. Oh, I am hairy as up. I'm gonna have to shape. Oh yes, very spicy. It definitely smells like cola, but I could definitely smell more of those spices, the herbs, the cinnamon, nutmeg, and the clove. Why I can't say clove? But it smells just like that. Like this would be definitely perfect for like autumn, like fall type of weather. Like this is perfect. Even during the holidays, I could see this being good. But yeah, it definitely smells more like cola, but you could definitely smell those spices. It's pretty good. But I don't like it that much. I don't want to smell like cola or Pepsi or anything like that. So I probably will not get that one. That's probably going to be the last one on the list. Because, yeah, I don't like that one that much. It smells good. I'm a fruit girl. I like fruits, floral type of scents. That, to me, you know, if you love cinnamon and clove and all those type of things, I think that would be pretty good. But yeah, I don't really care for that. Last one is Sugar Rush. I feel like I'm gonna like this one the most because it already sounds good. But oh yeah, let me read the notes on this one. So this one is inspired by Swedish fish. Oh yeah, that's gonna smell good. I love some Swedish fish. So top scents, fresh apple, cherry, and lingonberry, which I'm assuming is a berry. So. And then for the middle scents, we have pineapple, raspberry, muguet or maggot. I really don't know what that is. Man, they have some names in there that I don't know what the heck it is. Like, what does it smell like? Now I'm curious. I'm gonna have to look up some of these scents. But it's got peony. I think that's how you say it, or peony. I keep messing up that one too. Like I you know what, at work I keep calling it peony and nobody corrects me, and then somebody finally said it and I'm like, that's how you say it, peony? That's weird, because like, why you got the O in there? I'm stressing out too much. So the base notes is vanilla, sandalwood, musk, and amber. So yeah, a lot of these got musk in them. So I wonder what that musk do. Like, does it like balance out the scents or something like that? I'm curious. But let's try the Candy Rush. I'm gonna do this on the top part here because I'm gonna keep the scents separate so they don't mix in too much. Oh, yeah, this is gonna be my number one right here. This I'm getting a full bottle of. Oh, it smells just like Swedish fish. It kind of reminds me of like gummy bears. It smells to me like gummy bears. That's how it smells. See, I already knew I was gonna like this one. This one, yeah, I'm getting a full bottle of it because it smells too good. That sugar rush is rushing. Yeah, that one's pretty good. I like that one. Yeah, it's very like fruity. As soon as I read the scents on this one, I already knew this was gonna be my top favorite because it's so fruity, like really good, but not too much, you know. Okay, so now I'm gonna give y'all a rank on which ones that I like the most and which ones that I like the least. So for the least one that I like is the cold aroma. I definitely don't want to smell like cinnamon and cloves all day. Look, I finally said it right. But yeah, I don't want to smell like Pepsi or cola or anything like that. So I don't really care for it. But you know, if you like the holidays type of scents, I feel like this will be perfect around those times. So coming at number 5 is Chocolate Break. Not too bad, but again, I don't really care for the super sweet chocolate vanilla-y type of scents unless I could layer it with other fruit scents. But I don't really care for Chocolate Break, so I'm gonna give that number 5. Coming in at number 4 is Watermelon Jam. Watermelon Jam is pretty good. It's all right if you want to smell like watermelon, if you really like watermelon that much. I'll get a full bottle of this. I'll probably just layer it with something else just to make the smell more complex. But if you definitely love watermelon, then I'll definitely give this a try. Coming at number 3 is the Peach Rings because I love the citrusy type of smells. It really just kind of breaks away from the sweetness of the perfumes. It really just, again, it wakes you up. It smells nice. I smell a little bit of the peach in there. So even though I don't smell like peach rings, just the fact that it smells so refreshing and nice and it's got a good balance of the different notes, definitely coming at number 3 for me. Number 2, Pink Euphoria is my favorite. I love it. It's again fruity. It's got a good balance of the base notes and it smells sweet. It's very nice. I just love it, you know. I love it. And then coming at number 1 is the Sugar Rush. Now that one, y'all already knew I like that one the most because I could not stop smelling my arm. Sugar Rush is my favorite. It reminds me of gummy bears. And what I really like about that scent as well is that I could definitely layer it with some like vanilla-y type of smells. And I feel like it'll just like take it off the charts, okay? So anyways, that is pretty much my rank. So I would highly recommend trying this. Oakcha is very affordable. Absolutely love their perfumes and they last all day. That's another thing that's very huge about me is if I'm gonna buy a perfume, it needs to last all day. Okay, and they last all day. And on top of that, they're again very affordable. $12 for a sample, not bad. I don't know if they changed their price since then, but I would definitely recommend trying them. And I'm not sponsored by them, but Oakcha, if you're watching this video, if you do want to sponsor me your perfumes, please do, because I love y'all stuff. I'm a long-term customer that ain't never gonna go nowhere, so feel free to hit me up, okay? But anyways, that's it. Review on Oakcha. Hope y'all, you know, buy the sample and try them out. I'm definitely gonna buy me a few bottles of the scents that I really liked and then just kind of just follow my way down to the watermelon and the peach rings. Very good products, so highly recommend it. All right, I'll see y'all next time on my next video. I hope y'all have a good one. Stay safe and yeah, and enjoy it. All right, bye. I just want to appreciate everyone for watching my video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. It's going to be below my video. And also hit that notification bell for more updates on my content. Along with that, you can follow me on my other social media pages as well for more updates on my other content that I post outside of here. But anyways, I hope y'all have a good one. Stay safe out there and stay blessed. Goodbye.